Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the cache on your Nintendo Switch. So to do this, we want to go down to System Settings right here and select this. Scroll on down to System and then go to the right. Scroll on down all the way to Formatting Options. Select that. Then we can go to Reset Cache. Delete saved IDs, passwords, cookies, history, and other cached website data for each user. So we can select this. Then you can choose the user. All of Timothy's saved data will be pretty much deleted. Once you delete the data, it cannot be recovered. So I'm going to cancel out here. And I can do this with a different account that I really don't use. Let's go to Queenie. And then we can reset the cache for that. Resetting. All right. So that's all you have to do. And then you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.